In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps for motor calibration. Let's get started. Begin by navigating to the motor calibration menu from the base section. Ensure your drone's battery is connected and fully charged before proceeding. Safety alert: always remove the propellers from your drone before calibration to prevent accidents. At the top of the screen, you'll find an option to set the channel for the motor emergency stop action. Configuring this ensures quick motor shutdown in case of emergencies. Below that, click on RC Channel Info to view details about the RC channels and their assigned functions. Further down, you'll find the motor state section. Here, you can test each motor individually by selecting it and activating the test option. That's it for motor calibration. Follow these steps carefully to ensure your drone is ready for smooth and safe operation.